Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So according to a recent article by Windows Central, it seems that Microsoft is testing a new update method for Windows 11, what they are calling hot patching, which has been around now on Windows Server and Xbox for some time. And apparently, at the end of the day, it will allow you to install your Windows updates without requiring a system reboot, which is currently the case, as many of you will know. Most Windows updates that are downloaded and installed require a system restart to apply those updates. And this is where hot patching basically will give you an interruption-free update experience and is expected to roll out with this year's annual feature update for Windows 11 version 24H2. Now, I'll leave the article down below in the description. But this was apparently spotted in the dev channel build that rolled out about 2 weeks ago, build 26058, where Microsoft is testing what they are calling a rebootless security update on PCs with virtualization-based security enabled. Now, just on a side note, if you'd like to check if your Windows 11 PC is running with virtualization-based security enabled, it's quite simple to do. You just head to your search and you type in system information. And on the system summary page, you scroll down and here you'll see virtualization-based security. And in my case, that is running. So this is the feature that is required for that hot patching to work. So if this virtualization-based security is not running, it seems at this stage, although it's early days, it seems at this stage that you will not be able to use the hot patching. But if it is in my case, then according to that article, it seems that your system could receive the hot patching if and when it does roll out with Windows 11 24H2 later this year. Now, if you are asking the question, how is this all going to work? According to Microsoft's documentation, hot patching works by, and I'm quoting, patching the in-memory code of running processes without the need to restart the process. So basically, as mentioned, it gives you an interruption-free update experience. And I think that's a nice move, and I think most users will enjoy that at least a couple of times a year because updates can restart at any time, and obviously that can affect workflow and can be quite frustrating and annoying for a whole lot of users with Windows updates restarting and so on in the background. So this could change that to some extent or the other, which may be a nice move for most users. And hot patching relies on what they're calling a baseline update that requires a reboot every few months. So it doesn't mean you won't be required to restart for a pending update ever again. It just means that that will be cut down quite significantly. So basically it means that only 4 monthly security updates will require a reboot a year. And at this stage, although it's early days, it seems that those update restarts will be required in January, April, July, and October. And then all the other months, that's when the hot patching will kick in if you have virtualization-based security enabled, which means then you will not have to reboot your system in and on those other months. Now, as mentioned, Microsoft could be planning to roll out the hot patching later this year with the Windows 11 version 24H2 feature update. And it's still early days, but I'll keep my eye on this one. And at this stage, it's not confirmed exactly what editions of Windows 11 hot patching will be available on. But obviously, if I get wind of any more info, I'll keep you guys in the loop. But I personally think this is a nice move in the right direction for most users. But on a personal level, for myself, I think I will still restart my system after every update. I think that's just the safest option for stability. But nonetheless, I'll keep a close eye on this one and keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.